T and partnership no T na emwache ebi say ye to be chem say thing na because emwache mienu no we bia na challenge obenhu ano musika kra koloko na company na side na gu enti eye bibia topic bia edama koma so se ne mbechechirem kwan a obefa so a obeselect o business partner kwan a obefa so wa select o business partner emrebe mu kakra so a na ma kire kwan a obehu se ade de ekoi ekochew nti anamo be na obetu nti first aspect no ye kwan a wo obefa so na wa select o business partner ena enso kwaya hu se bibi kochewa obetumi afa na wayo someone say na no ebetwa mu be kire say apart from say sabi wodi enisuade bia aba say o ba be adwuma we no ade menu ene esese owo oni so ade na ohun ye ne se me pese be ye we no onya skill a just say owo hunim de skill so on skill dia ene je say owo sika a sabi wodi be tag
Asempa FM
enti idea nko ewo ho ena skill no nko ewo ho ena funding nko ewo ho oni a o she adwuma na se wo ade wo mensa obekọ gidigidi se uni miensa we nyina na se sebi wo enimdie ne pe en da iso no ho ba to enimdie ne pe na che se obepe obi a partner bi a owo sika na wabeboa se ne be ya adwuma no ebekọ se eni woni so ahoade no dae no a vision no a wo hu no na wo kakra wo nsem a but unni ehu akade in terms of skill na chese obokoto skill na say obepe obi a owo skill no na odina ye adwuma enti either way no behia obi but okohia obi a it is kwan be na obefa so a obe select agenje bia no emre bebre betwa mu no bonsa na wo select o partner no for adwuma no eyo obi anu ne kwa sorry ne beka just osumesi ewo ho nanka odwuma wo ye unya no boa no ebu oso a se onyo bi na be recommend ma wa one ne call sorry ebu oso on ne call school ebu oso we lusu na dwuma enti ebu oso kwa brochire ya to naba ana ohia no na osi o jo ya wabade a niema nkoyie dia ne bra na enya dwuma so enti ebu oso a ye kan na ye fa ne na ehumobo bi bae mu ene de ko select onua no recommendation every obi a sebi ubunu nti na onso recommending na obeka ho a one no ye adwuma no 1 year pe na ntokwa no si ye
Asempa FM
na fina ade wo ye niso aka pese ye ni nyina no na yo enti ye wo bibia ye hwe ansane select partner enti yes only na recommend am on name but also adwuma ne yodi na open partner no ese se o select sabio okoware oba na oye oba na koware be makra na ware mu kra na onu se o criteria kakra o hwa asama koware nti sa na business na mo ye for a long time so going concern akochire and therefore we be select partner now so select partner sebi onu ebeboa wo because the medical kind say business partner no obetumi make ma business na obetumi so break you business bi wo a e cost through because onya good partner business bi wo a anko because onya no enye ni papa oba ya anche bia na wachi koye na first thing so hwe before obedi obi bebe mu no Once the medical catcher say, as I say, unya skill no. And you say, only skill no more sika or and I didn't know this one. Not just the first criteria we looking for no. And you'll be a what skill no. Sebi, upe se, oye Uber be. Wo be cars skaka kra wo ofi obruchira ba na wo o the 3 cars ne ba e nto atran sa na minya Uber ya meyo nenso mi
Asempa FM
menti kromwa nti kaminyo obi a na nka me di Uber no ahye ne sa minyo obi a na nka me na ye partnership. And no one thing here now no be could do was mammy ya kweku we used to go on your man measure some kweku ni me too criteria because kweku we school no chire inti ono no vision in life no fit utu de no because any de circumstantial no na chire no inti because ya ka chen so ofofo you feel brutal about the cast about so be Uber no first and foremost me kwa ni say se na be am so menye bi kakra ma coverage ni bi daache tini hwede wona adwene mu ana wo se de wa adwene se wo be ye Uber no 3 cars now dey aba no ba be ye Uber se na be ya anytime bia wo baba Ghana no sika no kra be ba ye be to account ma obit me toss ase butai si woni so different from one there no. Inti se wodi obeye sa na o se wujwe partner. Inti na won kasa wa try to say me hwehwe partner onim transport mu. Because me were funding dada me were cast no dada. Ena me were niswa dem so dada. So your next requirement is say on pobia onim transportation osan so your driver. That is the first criteria. Inti say nipa ko ne recommend fi obusuomo say obi na den buy you so classmate bi na den buy you once when meet two criteria na no afa when meet ya memfa me na mka kire when meet two criteria na memfa inti because business now here no here for a long
FM
haul here business no be gina wedidi wom wahwe obusuafo wom unchima no so ba be continue. That is the purpose utumi set your business, and therefore opobia be kan ho and opobia obeboa wo and you be about my problems into nua na oba no e de na ode ba ebu onso wan kasa monzo o skill ne dada maybe one mono o niswade say obeye part-time classes because one mono we a teacher wo SSS and a one mozo who say area na motino normally kids no maths and English no and wow also so uchira there one of the best schools wo ehun nimde no and oni so ade so wo ho into person be weekend or part-time online and as a part-time physical school weekend special maths or English and maths 4-hour pine 2 hours each maybe person you know every Friday we dey on chebe we dey honest English and maths because home and I want him there no inti opobi amana a partner so opobi mana a partner na watch English and maths near because who want him there dada no now when you so dey say obi part-time school no the next logical partner is so fun be ka ho no e obi owuska bit my dear kon high baby ma start school no enye another teacher no to English and maths enye complementary because still no be lucky
Asempa FM
into select partner na wo select partner because baba enhance wodwuma na wo ye no partner no should come and enhance bojuma na oyɛ nti or the bi ba be count that partner or ba be party na wo or be party like or no ba be kabum partner nti say ba na mom my partner enka mo man nya one ti say dia aware ye one no and there be negative. There are certain things I say on so a deba board. It is school example here me can ye. Nature say only no ba be kan no partner no. Only no dia wosika. You are looking for somebody who has money, who can buy into what you are doing. Into proposal would be call no wo se me de. Me pese me ye part-time school. Ma hwe fom me hunu se nkola na we ha nyina no. Omu classes na enye omuni school bia bia venue bia ni ha ntimi obi na ko han be 1 year baby a weekend ya you with my start here because me need deposit but me there me wo note ni na me ni ade kire so obi atimi nka onu ya no behwe no ma start de ho na ja mbe calculate mo hu how mo be share mo niam no ama. But the key point I'm driving at is that you should be a osika because skill no. What tends to weaken us? They be an end to me surviving it say. Only I know the or the penny or an issue at the end pay. What only skill no? What only funding no?
Asempa FM.
And the obey then now. Okay, nim. Not just say, hey, more partners. Because there's no way when your partner or what skill knows how funding. A bedding. Internet just only your partner or what skill no and that partner or what funding. Internet I know the natural between me chile. I me can't say. And this I just say, soon ye, what time is soon ye. But mo dey na koye adwuma ma obi anase kosua the skill aspect no na just say oh partnership no you are coming into the partnership with a certain strength because adwuma bebre gugugu ebu a etumi ko me partners no ye tumi ko solve no say ubon so no na odi adwene bae no apart from Dyson odi bae no oni hwe oni akade no and oni skills no so Nidia ne say nadwini look obia bit masudae it is the first step you make but then more action no in a year obia bit masudae se minya besidan minya metoka on the dasu but the first point is say meye djuma matoka and I say mission driving no ma drive car no. So there's an aspect the beer will lose sight of it. And I say you lose sight and you choose a partner and I may go so we must select a partner that will come and complement what we have intended to do. Apart from that, you must ensure say a particular partner no or share in your values. Okuta sa entrepreneurial spirit nkakra. Enye bebre but
Asempa FM.
Na niji ade na oba be ye no. Me select partner e be ni say o be boa keke. Me dem ko boa no. Da bi. Ton ade no ma onua no hu say odini sika be hyemu a odini ho odini be hyemu a ne nsa onko fie a ne nsa wa efinda kakra obi nso be didi kakra. Sell the thing well. Manu say adwuma na it's a serious business. And only also should buy into your vision. Adekwa na oye no. Me ko select partner. I be catch you say me de me gidie na ma me yes ade no. From day one or cut such a me for so no. Because anytime you are going to take a decision be no kwa or so say me catch you no. Me de me som no and I say me de me tradition no and yes sir. Forget that onion men fano. Let me catch you men fano your partner. Because day one, why catch out the oye? nti bi wa yeah so wo de nyahwe wo de odu sika kakra hye bra ma okra ye hwe inshrenim because all the man no cry or you reluctant not that no to business in progressing the selection of partners is very important and how select a partner Mr. O shey go select obi a okuta baggage yemu obi ho a ne suba nye kra adwuma ba mi ensa wa adwuma kra ye yire di ne saka no ba wo de onim na ka fa ne ba enti obi ti say only way na ye adwuma so mesi na oya me partners obi say na dey also onya hwe because some person obey weak person na ono make can say papa na ye adwuma no ekrofo oga just
Asempa FM.
Na mo dey ahwe hu ye wa eno be ka so na just wrong partner enti say also potokasa your friend due diligence usu bisem kakra na find out about onuane kakra na say put the Bank of Ghana and other banks the CC anything no unim na kaso ko be bank omo CID for by investigative be a school o mami fee o papa fee o nana fee say criteria be om de abapa enya de ketwa T1 in for yadamasi. The key point I'm trying to drive is ye hu person ye hu kakra because partner na go fa na ba o to say the akwa worry un say kaneno ye chima no ye forbearance penny for no omo kokko bisa ansana wako na say en go bisa ntenchepe na awarija ba sa na business no so aye wan ko bisem wan ye due diligence enche na business na gu. So you must always make sure say unkofa partner okuta baggage. The next critical point is say unya partner or you credible. Obiati ni dia oh yeah akwa yeah. Uno say uka say me person me ko hu osumeswe na me ne ye partnership ba. Pesa ko for me so say oh yeah akwa ndi me tell so I'm sorry. Where did he? Because business is based on trust and credibility. It is a nukrogum na only GD no nim say eden because I know sa trust na do utumi edi free ade. Sa trust na customers utumi edin deposit the bro say jisika no to na niam ne ban 3 months ma abegim sika. Odni sika kra bro. Sa trust no enema obi efri niam.
Asempa FM.
So, partner now, no, a little bit of mistrust for who quadia. She went to church and country. Other people say, oh, yes, so near the maybe many crash. Oh, boy. Ojumanegu. Mr. Start with a good partner. You're credible. And now, your partner, so or you're financially stable. So because financially stable obia sebi on the dika bebre a first time profit ne buy ya munya one good contract as can buy ya ahomachi ofia waba kwojo mini won komo kakra o mantu an kancho na anu na de omu ni se menya ebusuaka bi ana se nanu me baby, you know, story gunrai. So who's the first kashaba? No, the story about brew. Obekano, I wire ho. Untina also, weji. Working capital na sikana abano ayedi be expand the business no. Buhana amemi finti we be a man so partner. We man or the koya. Anchebia na munya another order. Do the call crowd, Sansi, I call you across Akawa. Sansu I say, or do could do for your crime robbers cry. I mean, partners have different stories to tell people. Nipenim so and this I shall be home. Until once they are coming, it's a one criteria. I would deceive you. No, or no. A bisu or what? Another point in this, Obit Marcellet in this. Upe partner ono what good
Asempa FM
business ethics. Say connection partner there. Say Yentoni man free and Kofone booster no. That kind of people and finding a partnership. Nchini ye. Na business no maybe you can find a man or a particular company. Uka wasa line. Ye tioka. Otamason ya supply o. Business is progressing. No partner be a no. Or say, oh, aduwe, oh. Member boys na ye be connection be no more brain be na ya benya faso pi. Okay, so the muton 10. No so with my connection na ye de bro no munya ne be 6 cities and 7 cities. Two num so dem 3. So asika no ede but enter free. Because enye sustainable. Da oni ane benya wontu kakra bi na edana no say kay me ankasa no adwuma we Brian Abrem ye ba oba foforo nye me na me no come boys yi ko bu story boy nye boys ko wi ade ba na me ton ma na no waye yi o ka chem obeka satan no business I expand you or review base na say su credibility hunya enche na business na ide ebubu apansam just because unia no the business ethics no inye no akofan partner no bia de bi ma na di akire na akoye profit buy oh ntabe ode wa hwe dakra ye bechi connection for no na business na good because when na you supply any achi omo ya mo din a unya supply so bio into your partner no must have a solid record the business operation ethics correct. Ebo kwa na work to cry nye. O medjuma tem edjuma mu nyina mu ye partnership a ono ni woni na eye no. Ene obaba 9, o cha no aba 11, anato no aba no pa 7. E ba bi kwa o ma nsu ato. Me kwa yie, me ti pai me and all those ones on kuta sa good background. Ene ma business ni gunu. Because uno na ye business na mu ye 50-50. Just faso ba 50-50. Onwa Friday no upon them omba. Or so ko follow customer bia on fam waemba. Ohun ni bium. Obeba e yakobo sim no abasi because that time ye be chichiska. Ya order bia pai. Satan oba misrew. Onia no onye partner. Ohiamwa na just na wona aboa no. So one of the critical areas say you select a partner, you feel you into form, you make sure say okuta all these traits or credibility, obuadie or network, no suju, onkuta kabwe bibia or oni bibia or the CC. Ni kankitin bia ni or the CC. Na kasa dentina ye koje busia o bank to me catch or say odi obi fufuro ka na e ka be na odi unu adgo to mu bisa isa no because oba bobo obusia na wetu na kakrakra nti oposo hu se scan e ba ho se agenje bia no se ba ho a obetumi tua na ontumi ntua bank no da shem trim se also wo daily operational costs wo nti keneke onim se
Asempa FM
no kre na abedi akire no na oba na ka yeso sika na eba ni na me betu aka obo so dintro because sika eba ho agutu etu no e na odu nyina betu loan na be da didie enti o ka kire bank manager ne say o pay 700 Ghana ndomo bosia o betu 600 Ghana o boy o mo fa ma because who dintro. In the same way in the business environment, you know, sa kasa na on the best, you know, we so dintro. Because one, either say what high revenue ni be or baby, and two this is under betua obe depending on side, you know. and I say maybe unkafo edisu support you must declare all. In the same way, Udin Kofo ka getting declare all to the bank. Into honomet my calculation. It says so makachire say Chiana Uchubiano because of no crown no mudi my calculation into Utmakacha said to Abusumbia. My Jumayache meaning open up because once the business concept now they ban is solid no on be support. Bem on regular basis. Why should I say bem daily basis? Oh man, every bank be able support. Inti dia I got on support at this ano say from day one when nimu no crunch no. Watch out say oh bank account back up. On so call any due diligence no send our rural bank service and loans I will be baby I will different one question. Bank no musa on can't just say I do no into na one more loan on can't that.
Asempa FM.
So you penny for no say yes anyway. But a year financial and trial D and things that's why we could one chaka one yo and farmer. Inti who select partner now select partner. Obeboa odi nukre obe enhance ni business ethics no good solid. Now another thing that is say also consider in the partnership or no say say phobia obe challenge you won say I drink kakra wo trim but obe ka say oh ade yi we ya drink we hu oh ye ni say ya. You see, that's an enhanced partner. Obia, ono, obitma boa mo take a good decision and this kabe bre with Jumano. Partner, ono so etumi boa wo. With the adwin to a partner. Obeto to adwini. Obe Jumanda debia no send no text. One made you no check what no didn't come because the casting na ye how business no ever conning. What by you do no check the person's communication because of ne seminar team. I didn't want to team or the bebuano on farm dan tokabe see a jumanimono. After no better and okay, say 6 months ago, and I will go customer wait by, and I'm a kind when female, and I miss me a okay. Oh, my boy, bro. Sir, I do know now or ye dinner one country. That's lost of revenue. Well, you ska until you pay Obia, will be communicating with you.
Asempa FM.
Be send a text amount. Obey alert too, never be caught you are. On train my same see answer. Answer a catcher, dear Cosso. Sabi, my more example back. Na me ni bin yan me ye mpreko, ye mpreko. And I own him. Yan select workers ni ye. You could use family. Na obi buys we ofi ye area ho nti fa na dwumam na o ma hwempreko ni bi same way I check by a typical example a branch be start here only other workers preko ya doso ehu ya say a branch no any workers ni bi aye baako ena omui echichim preko no etonton ede ma customers bi a omomwa wayi no otonton preko no ama customers na oda ho anaju sa no ma frɛ minuanom no ana say me partners ni aka ches oh aboa no bi yare de bia aboa no yare emboa no yare anajo yeso baby a prego we go mo afete wo so tinkran anajo ba na akɔwe adechi obekɔ a prego a yesi oyare no wawu ɛwɔ hia yesi yakoto na twene ebo yesi yesi ne yesi yale no ebeye basa eche kwa na ehu se sa no moye ena ja ye pamo mu nyina say you decide say as partners no you allow
Asempa
any
FM
recommendation from any family member. You better set a criteria. Who meet here? Now a family member, you dasi. Where meet here? Tenefi, you nyam faswa, you be broken wedi. A band sani status are approaching. So in the same way, no, you must have people with integrity, who partner no. Because the human who go usika national, with time national. So around that aspect, no, as a social need, medical boss that about integrity and commitment to the job, commitment to the human. You see, one of the things are young entrepreneurship. Me tell who's almost say, ebu also na ope se umanisika. Na nkaine de ono no aye na dwuma yo onu se wogi sika no pe fi onua no ho na wandwene adwenkase amfa nka sika no ho a won se nche na sika na hye because one hwa na adwene na o de be spend sika no sagonya obi second person as a sound checker e de nema bi enene edidi nkomokra anka maybe unhia so disika bakwakofa de no immediately maybe one phone call away no ye de adini be free into sika enko shame in the meantime maybe enti men je partner on the partnership no is really based on fiscal cash or the bro from beginning one fashion and count ope obi or this kabeba at the same time, so at least every now and then obaba meeting one man fiscal meeting kana or friend or WhatsApp so or send information update next and no partner no and you one of partner because me who obi a on no transfer sika efi amono ne ba say yemfa nye guest house na kwekwosi guest house no. Now one of the things in this all your guest house no sankakwano wa amano no ka kire no say me guest house no se papa no enso de niko edwuma no akaska na nshi because the way I see guest house no na ofri say papa no fie bochire ba anase na how be fu bochire ba obe direct no normal ba guest house ko no. But papa no so amfa na adwuna mase o normally nkofo me die to aba no baby omo da no yehia internet service because na omo mfi amano no omo hia internet service wo ho yehia generator and standby generator just in case light off and yehia water tank just in case the pipe number enti one factor sa de nyina ngumi ye enti osi no nkofo ba omo mabium because na light off generator say afna air repair na kwano bufuye na me disika ba se mo fanye djuma na mo de sika na fa akosi ha yesi ase na me ka se onim baby a ofinu I will tell you djuma no Germany ho no woni ebie pa woska intesanka wo de wadwene so kakra de boa abrante no ene ne yira ono mo ye partnership no se be asase ne omo de ade omo so de adwene ba na do suka techire na mo ye guest house
Asempa FM
sanka on regular basis if you're placing calls to understand how the business was progressing and can make sure invariably no eduma no be gira until sometimes me enko only for the money pay money and conversation kakra we are with the partner ubon say ebefa one of the things as I said the bia no ohwe ne yie na san hwe ne yie na hu say onua na eba no wafa na wie na ono na adwuma na progress but nanse no nta hu ne yie because ano na or the bar started partnership no and yes the same ano no and all they continue unu kwa ba for so be hu so if your partner no aye no hu say or free customer bi or free workers ni bi ono mu didi nkomo no mu di no untante ena ono mu di nkomo kasa ni bi ye seka emia kama ni se emia de bia emia kama ni se misrew otipe to ne shares no na manenko men we see time kra obegu adwuma no because saka emia wa me kan kire me no wa start ka kire your customers no wa start ka kire your workers no wa start ka kire your suppliers no obegu adwuma no enche who ni sa first thing who ni sa no second point as I make ko ton ade aba ne say obaya o na say edwuma my che ena kaminya aka bia usu num say edwuma why actually but profit nyama ena me amokra me use personal car we say edwuma ko to kan farm onye good partner because you are coming to drain the business or show no more pex e kon ho because of your partner no na no am a business na egu a boso na obibi gina so usu ni hwe gina so emwa meka koton ade kakra ba me ba na ya to so na bi telephone line so aka ho
The Infantipim Old Boys Association, MOBA, invites all old boys and the general public to the 4th edition of the MOBA Annual Engagement Series. Theme, Hen Nananom Butaipa, Quality Education and the Quest for Global Competitiveness. There will be a panel discussion focusing on raising the bar for quality education, funding, management, policy, the impact of technology, and why local initiatives and activities must be globally adaptable and relevant. Date, Wednesday, 16th October, 2019. Time, 5:30 p.m. Venue, Ecobank Ghana Head Office Auditorium, Ridge, Accra. Panelists, Nana Kobran Ketia the 5th, MOBA 69, Robert Daniels, MOBA 79, Alexander Mensah Hagan, MOBA 89, and Kofi Safo Achia, MOBA 99, with Professor Philip Ebo Bonzi Simpson, MOBA 78, as the moderator. The MOBA Annual Engagement Series 4 is sponsored by Ecobank Ghana, media support, Joy FM, Joy News, and the Daily Graphic. For further information, please contact Sabella on 0302 611 651 or 0556 439 873. Kwaboche Gwen Shekan.
Asempa FM.
It's the 4th edition of the Joy Prime Made in Ghana Fair at the Junction Mall, Nongwa Barrier, from the 31st October to 3rd November at 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. each day. Theme, Brand Ghana for Global Export. Come witness Ghanaian originality, authenticity, and rich culture as we display Ghanaian inventions, locally made clothing, shoes, bags, jewelry, and many others. Don't miss out on our exciting lineup of activities from the hottest DJ party on Friday 1st November, the fashion, comedy and music night on Saturday 2nd November at 7 p.m. sharp, to cooking competitions on Sunday 3rd November at 3 p.m. between our favorite presenters and celebrities. For further inquiries and information, please contact 055 6304 521 or 0540 106466. This event is brought to you by Joy Prime and powered by Hits 103.9 FM, sponsored by Ecobank, GTP, media partners. The Joy Prime Made in Ghana Fair 2019.
The 2019 Fire for Fire Cup. 18th Saturday, 9th November 2019. Our calendar pack Dansuma. Agent Chiatua. Soccer bet Nekukura FIFA for Fire Gala this year. Soccer bet, your best bet for sports betting. 2019 Fire for Fire Gala. A bail, yeah.
Nkwitabo krachi jumedi no wasuguso awutie samre maybe telephone line no na me say
Asempa FM
omo follow Facebook comment kakra bia ba Eugene Boatin assigned to fachem you na pronunciation no Eugene Boatin or say I'm enjoying the program to the fullest. Your wisdom in business and management is unmatched. And Isaac Abrantier or say great works, Mr. Charles. And a Akaman one or say me share I didn't know live. In two so able to me the would have no answer because Asempa FM, Asempa FM on Facebook now do comment about. She say maybe a telephone line, my telephone line no numbers ni 0302 216 545 and I say 0302 216 546. Now with me I know a friend na my church mu. So also oye partner be no hu nti 0302 03 hello Pacho wani you
me Pacho teteni otukojo
otukojo Pacho itio
yo we de nyamishra pa we bie me sem bi so amame na wie pa
that's it
na ayi me bra akambo ma ye adwuma bi na adwuma no o ma obi bai se o mebo so me na nipa no mebo no afede obe take decision bi se ipo beton ho nyina no adwuma bi o mo ya na ka ye free a obe de abo company bi bia mbedan sika Emma adwuma no in fact nyama esi wadwuma mu ho no na je enya bojo kra ama wabese wekese ni nyina dwen ma se na adwuma no nyame amwa ka adwuma meka se kula fia ne sa
Asempa FM
nyame adom yeguso ara nkakaka dase
yo bye bye telephone number no yes. My telephone number is 0302 216 545. 0302 216 546. Inti ba business ni bo wa na wankasa no wo saa ne ma miensa mbibo odi nyina se wo ni so ade no wo ho ena kakra wo ho and at the same time so wo skills no edada and there may be one partner. Hello? Pacho wani?
Pacho Femi Kopano.
Yo yetiu.
Eja yenga minshao mo program mo yana kama pa.
Shayina.
Na me su problem kakra me woni se. Businessman can fully be njuo ha. Omo ebi adwuma no na omo no be ya adwuma. Omo start ya approach wa. And some omo ka tro no. A different from the adwuma no enkanya behavior omo be start assure patron. Nti me se wa ya na we program na
me bebo susia
okay
right bebo susia minia de omu ni say obi eno ba be adwuma onso obi select as a partner. The first thing I'm say umba drafty agreement kakra a je say adwuma we wodi ni say ni na oye nti no aye ni say every year bia ye be review menya ni so your employee because we are partner dey onye employee nti ye no say afi ba kon e be start me role me play with adwuma mu the following me wie me tumi bomodin a say na menya ana say me share say na
Asempa FM
after 12 months e be san so transcribe nti ye ni sa no a na che say intro di chira oni na e be dead in that first year. Also, one day I would share Jumanum. Also, be making sure say in the agreement, no, at the corner castle, you have delivered. if not 100%, you've delivered 120 and that's 95%. In Tenusa, no one in a so be negotiate because above for review. Nebu na yen draw yen fashion can no one say ye name Musa auntie Asempa FM because of Obemubu in 2%. My telephone number is 0302. Hello? Yeah. Hello? 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 Yeah, Mintio. Hello? Hello?
Good morning.
Morning.
Ipacho appointment.
Boko.
Ipacho Asempa.
Aye, Pacho Kasa.
Oh, Ipacho, there was a PY.
Yeah, now so
Obi so pre no ho afra or the aseda be mo na on to me nyaw manya we be the aseda edima etiefo mo tie program we me gino ma na mo eda wase
yo
program we me aboa me da o ma ye program be ma me buy Alisa Hotel
okay
for some years
yeah
me buy be.
Okay.
In fact, aboa me pa aboa me nyame shraw.
Yeah, that's it. Okay.
Nyame shraw.
Yeah, that's it.
Na me pese me nya wa personal contact.
Me be am be tudwa. Why? Yo.
You know, me pa to pa me here personal contact.
Yo, we me that's it.
Me that's it.
Asempa FM.
The tier from Asumu. Say unia no edin dance. Telephone number is 0302. Hello.
Me batro tetenie ko gwa se mi ti magin am pese mi bisao
Tetio.
Ejuma no se son se sa. O be fa obi se o mebo e be hia se den na se wuji fini ho. Ana wo hia fini ho.
Ejuma no den na be hia. That's the first thing se obisa. Ejuma na ye no den na be hia. Ebu onso ni ye hia sika. Ebu onso ye hia adwene. Ebu onso ye hia network. Nti se wohwe adekona adwuma ne hia ansana ohun se onua na mede ne ba no obeboboa me ya solve adekona adwuma ne hia no why
okay
yes. When define enye ne kase enye ne ketwa se adwuma na de ne hia
okay
adwuma na de ne hia nti adekota ne hia no nti ukwa akohwehwe obi mana beboa adwuma na ade hia no why
okay
yo
okay
hello.
But
why you?
Yeah, your friend Franklin.
Franklin, it's you.
Yeah. Okay. We program we no fine pa, but business do what we say with the family a bit more and so.
Correct.
So I think it's a business no. I think you should look outside, not inside with the family, because they collapse. I've tried it before.
Yeah.
And they let me down. So I think every business should go out from the family.
That's a good point. That's a good point. Bye. That's a good point. But to me, but family soon be also amu papa. But nyamu nyina ebi wo na omugu ade ba ebi so ye. Hello.
Asempa
family
FM.
business be as say omadu second generation me can NS chemist. Oh why papa aye ono be to aso say one ne ma na ye adwuma nti there's that positive aspect of it too nyina ebi mo so na adwene ntra me ka say adwene no a onua ndi ba no odni ba no adwene woni trim odi ba no so woni criteria na akofa ne say because oyem busi ni ti oba me adwuma odi a enye but wo criteria dia na o make sure onua no otumi meet sa criteria na ebeboa no ebe avoid sa family feud nneema. My telephone number is 0302 216 545 and I say 0302 216 546. Na ade ba ko a anosu ehia titru sese no say what percentage should you give onuana oba beka ono? Hello. Bayo du mo radio kakra ba mi.
Okay.
Hello. Hello? Yeah, by me too.
Mr. No, boss, me Chris Kakra, me many is Kakra, you mammy and yes, no. My many is so as they may have 3,000 percent. Me a jump pot down the bay. And because I this treasure be no clean a yana. And so I've been young Kakrana.
Says she ain't now in this wing, Kafakoto treasure be no precon. To a 1 year. Na for 2. Anytime be a Ubenya, you be our person this can you know.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now 3,000 a year, no, why would you figure me the business also Kakra?
Oh, I G next week me buy because my fa a calculate any percentage a yinama. Mr. Wa
Asempa FM.
Hover around 17%, but me percent because rate this is every now to be why? You. All right. Say, say memory soon. Memra so na memra so ntumi amfa call bia na mo pese mo frɛ mo send me message send to 0263 009 330 0263 009 330 that's ane e baba na to aso nyankopon ka mo